Okay, working on the 02 Chevy Tahoe again. This time the blend door actuator. It's kind of just stripped or stuck in one position. Not sure if you could hear it, but it's right down under there. You can hear it struggling to turn. Kind of just blows out the defrost in the main vents, but got a new one to throw in. Looks like that should be pretty easy. Just 2 screws. There's the aftermarket part number. Knockoff. Still should work. First you have to take that kick panel off, so we'll do that real quick. And then take out the 2 screws holding this on. Should be fairly easy. Okay, once you pull out the 4 screws holding this panel in, they're 9/32. Look like that. There's 4 of them all along here. Just pull this down out of the way, and then this is the actuator right here. So go ahead and disconnect that, and then got that screw right there, and then there's one on the other side. We'll get that one on the driver's side. Perfect. Okay. Here's the stock part number, the OEM part number. Let's compare these. I can see it off the bat. That one is metal, it's plastic. But other than that, they look exactly the same. You want to pay attention to the way this is indexed when you're putting it on the shaft. So, let's see. Okay, so you just want to make sure that that shaft is clocked to match the female in there. Should just slide right up. Yep. Okay, screws back in. Okay, once the screws are back in, hook it up, test it out before putting the panel back on. I already don't hear it cycling or anything. Yep, that works. Yep. Fixed.